Author point of view, Jungkook lift you up in Bidal style, not breaking the and went in the room. He you down on the bed and over you after a passionate he broke the and rested his forehead against yours. You were breathing up fast and heavy while crimson red hue spread across your cheeks. Jungkook got up and about to go, but you cocked his arm. You lift up your bringing your close to his and capture his. Jungkook happily you back with same intensity as he thought that you feel something for him, while you started to unbuttoning his shirt, making his heart go crazy. He again made her lay on the bed and remove his shirt totally and throw it somewhere in the room. He again attached his with her, but this time hungrily. They both broke the barrier between them tonight. The whole night went. It was not just, it was a love which they both afraid to confess with each other. Next morning, Jungkook woke up to see his wife sleeping like a baby in his embrace. Jungkook looked at the time and it was 7 a.m. He placed a back on your and hugged you tightly. He closed his eyes, remembering the last night. It was the best night of his life. Not a single moment made him feel the things that you did. He opened his eyes and looked at you, eyes shining with love for you. You moved slightly closer and cuddled him in your sleep. Jungkook's heart melted, but then a sudden knock at the door made you both jolt awake. Yan sat up quickly and whispered, "It's Minho." They both looked at each other and realized they are still beneath the duvet. Jungkook point of view. I quickly put a sweatpants and a t-shirt on me. Yan. I look at the Yan on the floor. I lift her up and made her sit on the bed. Are you okay? Just feeling a sore down, she said with pink cheeks. I smiled lightly, knowing that I am the first man who. Don't move, okay? I will do everything. She nodded. I wrapped the duvet around her properly. I walked to the door and opened it. I looked down at the little woman holding his pulse while rubbing his eyes. Minho sleepy cookie. He said and hugged my leg like a cola. I chuckled and lifted him in my arms. Little buddy, you woke up early today? Minho mumbled. I wanted to see Sweet. I his cheeks and put him in the middle of the bed. He crawled towards Swan and hugged her. Sweet, I miss you and Cookie. We are here, my baby, she said with a warm voice and pats his back. I lay beside him and kissed his head as he is again dozing off. My eyes met with one who smiled warmly, and in that moment I know that I didn't want anything else beside her and Minho. Author point of view, Van was going to wake up from the bed. Where are you going? Yan low voice, to take a bath. Let me help you, he said and come to her side. He carefully lifted her up in a bridal style and went inside the bathroom. He placed her on the sink and filled the bathtub with warm water. Yan looked at him, her heart clenched, thinking that last night meant nothing for him. She is just another name in his life with whom he spent his nights. But for her, he is her first love and first man. Tears gathered in Anne's eyes, but she wiped it. She doesn't want a Jungkook to see her vulnerable self. Yan thought that it's her own fault because Jungkook stopped at the last night. But she again held him. She was in her own thoughts when Jungkook came in front of her. He gently removed the towel off her and placed her on the bathtub and started to clean her. His actions were gentle and respectful. Yan point of view, just 1.5 months after that I will get out from his life. The contract will be ended. Author point of view, Yan was thinking about the contract, but Jungkook's thoughts were filled with Yan only. He forgets the contract long time ago. For him, Yan is his wife with whom he married in front of the world. That's the only thing he remembered. Jungkook entered in the room with a tray. He placed the tray on the bed in front of Yan, breakfast, smiling. Yan looked at the tray, contained butter toast with scrambled eggs and orange juice. You don't have to do this all, but I wanted it, he said, stretching his back with a shy, small smile. Yan ate it quietly. Jungkook thought that she is feeling shy, so he didn't said anything. 2 weeks passed. In this whole week, Yan ignored Jungkook. Whenever he tried to say something to her, she always slipped out from the conversation, making an excuse of work. In the same time, Jungkook became busy in his work as he was working on the new project, because of which Jungkook did not even able to talk with Wan. And things were okay when Wan was ignoring a Jungkook. But when Jungkook didn't talk with her, Wan misunderstood the situation. She thought that Jungkook is ignoring her, but in reality, Jungkook was really busy in the work. Even he barely get a time to eat and sleep. He even skipped his meals. When he came home at the night, at that time they already fall asleep. But Jungkook have a little spy. Jungkook point of view, I enter in the room tired and worn out, my back and shoulder aching from sitting all day in the office. But my tiredness flew away, seeing my both babies sleeping peacefully. I go towards them and peck their forehead. I wanted to spend my time with Yan and Minho, but because of work, I cannot do anything. I was looking at Yan when Minho woke up. I took him in my arms and we both sit on the couch. So today what we did, Minho looked up, eyes wide with my little spy. She did the laundry and then cooked lunch for us, and then we saw the Shinchan movie. And then I saw her crying. Jungkook from crying. Yeah, she was crying in the bathroom, and when I go to her, she hugged me and stopped crying. Why she was crying? I need to find. Okay, good job, little spy. I said and pinched his nose, making him giggle. I again get up and place him on the bed, covering him with a duvet. I place the peck on his forehead and then on one. I lay beside Minho. Cookie, do you love sweet? Jungkook smiled. I love her. For me, he said, pointing to himself cutely. How cannot I love this little buddy of mine? Jungkook chuckling. Yes, I love you too, and sweet. He giggles and hugs me, making me wrap my arms around his tiny self. Good night, Cookie. Good night, young man. Author point of view, the conference room filled with the claps for Jungkook. As of today, Jeon Corporation get the biggest deal which will benefit the Jeon Corporation in the future. Jungkook smiling, thank you, but we all were working hard, so let's cheer for ourselves. Jungkook said and clapped with him. Mr. Jeon sit on the chair looking at his son, smiling. Seeing a Jungkook now, no one can say that he was the same careless, arrogant, and rude man was, because now he is become a responsible man. From the past few months, even board are talking about him. Jungkook, come in Mr. Cheon cabin. Dad, you wanted to talk with me about something. Mr. Cheon nodded, gestured him to sit on the chair. First of all, congratulations because of you, Cheon Industry sign the biggest deal which we never able to done in the past. Thank you, Dad. Mr. Cheon took out some papers and put him in front of Jungkook. Jungkook confused. What is this, Dad? This is a property and company's paper. I sign on them and now my all properties are yours, Mr. John said, but the next words of Jungkook left him shocked. I don't want this all. I'm happy in my job. I don't even want to see your position, Jungkook said firmly. Why isn't this is what you wanted? Yeah, I wanted this all, but not now, because I lied to you to get this all. What lies? Jungkook took a deep breath and then he said, you wanted me to get married, so I married with Yan, but I signed the contract with her for 1 year to be my wife. I met her first time in the office. That was her first day, but I fired her because of my attitude. Then she told me she needed this job, so I took advantage of a situation. I tell her I will give her money and in return she needs to be my wife in front of the world and she agreed. Mr. John listened to his son leaning on the chair. I know everything. Jungkook looked up shocked. Mr. John chuckled and get up from his chair, making a Jungkook also stand up. Do you really thought I will not get to know about your plan? Mr. John continued. You are my son. I know everything about you, Jungkook. Then why you let me marry with Yan? Because I knew that only Yan can bring you to the right path. I'm sorry that I gave you so much trouble, Jungkook said, feeling guilty. I already forgive you, Jungkook. You prove yourself that you are responsible towards your family and work. And this property was always yours. You are the only heir of Gion Corporation. So it was always yours. I just put the condition to change your behavior. And you did it now. So now handle all this. Me and your mom is planning to go on the picnic. Mr. John handed him the property papers. I promise you that I will never let your trust broke. I believe you, my son. By the way, when you are going to propose, Jan, how do you know I'm going to propose her? Mr. John laughed. I know, Jungkook, you are my son. Yan point of view, what that man think of himself. I'm not going to cry over him anymore. He was taking care of me after that night, but then he stopped doing that. I know he's busy, but cannot he ask me about my day? I came in the room and at the same time Jungkook came. Minho was in his arms. Sweet, look, Cookie brought iron toy for me. I look at the Minho who was holding his toy. Yan smiled. Okay, but you are not going to play all day with toys. Got it? He nodded. I didn't look at Jungkook and started to folding the clothes of Minho. Author point of view. Jungkook whispered something in Minho's ear and put him down. Minho nodded and went outside of the room. Jungkook took his steps towards Yan. This is for you. He forwarded a little box to Yan. Yan looked at him more like glaring and said, I don't want anything. But it's gift from me. Yan scoffed. Then I'm definitely will not going to take it. Jungkook turned her around to face him by grabbing her. Now their breath were fanning on each other. Yan's heart was beating like a drum against her chest. Why are you ignoring me? He said, tucking her hair behind the ear. Yan glaring, I'm not, now leave me. She struggled to get out from his grip, but he is stronger than her. Yes, you are. At first I thought that you are just shy about that night, but you are still ignoring me. Why? It's none of your business. Jungkook squeezed her. You are my wife and it's my business. Contract wife, right? I'm your contract wife. Yan said with a gritting teeth, but in the end her voice broke. After what happened between us that night, you still thought about the contract? Jungkook said with a cracking voice. Yes, I do. Because with someone meant nothing to you. Because you always do that, right? Yan tears finally fell down. Jungkook looked down to hold his own tears, but he cannot lose her because of his past. It's true that but not after I meet you, Yan. Yan, look at his tear-stained face. I never cheated on you, Yan, even if it was a contract marriage. And I burned that contract papers the moment I realized I loved you. I know you are not my first, but you will always be my last. Yan whispered, you love me. I do, and I don't deserve you, but I'm too selfish who just wanted you for myself. Why you never tell me that you love me? She scolded him crying. I was afraid thinking that you don't feel the same for me. But that night when you make me feel that you I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. Because of my past deeds you hurted. Yan hugged him saying after some time they both broke the hug. Jungkook wiped her tears and attached his forehead to her. Where is my gift that you bring for me? Jungkook smiled and took the box from the bed and gave her. Yan opened it happily and her eyes became wide seeing the chain. It was the same chain she wanted to buy from the long time. Isn't this is the chain you wanted, wifey? Yan blushed hearing the new nickname he gave her just right now. Yan raised eyebrows. How do you know that I wanted this? My spy is always around you, John Yan. Yan blushed like a teenage girl. Jungkook pecked her pink cheeks. She is so adorable even when she became angry. Put this around my neck, Yan said and turned to the mirror. Jungkook took the chain and put around her neck, looking into her eyes in the mirror. After he was done, he placed the gentle peck on her. Shiva ran down to Yan's spine. It's look beautiful on you, he whispered. Yan blushing, thank you. Just thank you. I bring the gift for everyone and no one give me gift. What you wanted, I will give you, Yan said innocently. Jungkook smirking. Yan slapped his shyly smiling. Your hubby just wanted to celebrate his success with his wife. He dramatically said, showing his hurt. Yan rolled his eyes but grabbed his collar and Jungkook immediately replied her back and engulfing her in his arms. After a passionate Jungkook's eyes widen. He never knew that she is full of surprises and he is ready to explore her slowly and lovingly. Yan added, but I want you to be not in front of the world. Got it, Mr. John Jungkook? Jungkook nodded. As you say, my queen, I'm ready to be everything just for you, my wife. Meanwhile, in the garden, when we will go inside, Minho asked, playing with his toy. Mrs. Cheon nervously, soon, my baby. Minho nodded like a good boy. Mr. Cheon whispered, I think they forget that we were also present in the house. Mrs. Cheon nodded, caressing Minho's hair, who was sitting on her.